Welcome to the introduction of our SSSJ120PP bags pelletizing line, a complete turnkey recycling project delivered to our client in Russia. Designed for 300 to 400 kilograms, the line handles PP jumbo bags, woven bags, PP films, and similar materials. Our self-developed single-shaft shredder is optimized for jumbo bags. D2 blades ensure up to 1,000 hours of service life. The 100mm screen delivers efficient size reduction for bulky PP materials. Shredded material is fed into the crusher via a Z-type conveyor, reducing size to around 50mm for smoother compactor feeding. The integrated compactor extruder design reduces floor space and boosts output. The large compaction chamber ensures stable feeding for lightweight film materials. The G120 nitrided screw guarantees stability, while precise temperature control minimizes degradation. The double-station screen changer allows continuous operation. A 120 mesh filter removes over 99% of impurities, making pellets suitable for replacing part of virgin material. The water ring cutting system produces round and uniform pellets. The stainless steel vertical dryer reduces moisture below 1%. The vibrating screen ensures a consistent 3mm pellet size. The 1.8-meter discharge height allows easy jumbo bag filling. A high-efficiency chiller maintains water at around 20 C. The line consumes only 0.5 to 1 ton of water per hour, reducing operating costs. The electrical system uses international brand components for reliability. PLC control ensures easy operation and convenient maintenance. Recycled pellets can be used for PP bags, blown films, and injection products such as pellets or beans. It offers wide applications and outstanding economic value. We provide full turnkey recycling solutions. Feel free to contact us for more details.